Hello everyone, this is Sarthak Srivastav from Team Aviators and I am here to show my project Genus towards bridging the connectivity gap and improving communications. So basically this is a video conferencing solution having features like live classes. We can schedule live classes and students can join it, submission of assignments from the same portal, register yourself on the very same portal to attend the classes and get email notifications for each scheduled classes using SMTP mailer protocol. So now I will be going on the dashboard. So presently I have logged in as teacher. So as you can see here, teacher panel. Okay. So I have scheduled a class hackathon for Saturday, March 2021. Right. So now I will be starting the class, and to give the presentation, I will ask my teammate Devendra to join. So I can turn on my webcam, turn off my webcam, I can mute and mute myself, and now I will be starting my class. So I started the class and now I'm asking him to join. So like he joined, and you can see over here that Devendra Pratap Singh has joined. And also I can remove him by clicking on this remove button, right? So let me tell you one by one all the features that we have made into this. So we saw that there were few glitches in Google Meet and Microsoft Teams, due to which the classes in all the colleges were not able to conduct smoothly during the COVID. So basically the unique selling point of our Genus video conferencing solution is that it is one-to-one connection. We have used WebRTC technology, and whatever teacher is saying, it is audible to all the students, but students cannot communicate among themselves. So one student cannot see who all have joined the class. Moreover, he cannot talk to his classmates. Okay. And whatever chat we will be doing over here, all the chat that will be going from teacher, it will be going through public. Now I will ask Devendra to just write something over here, and I would show you how to reply privately. Okay, so this is the chat feature. Yeah, so he replied I will be replying him privately. So this is made in just last 48 hours. So basically like we were having very less time, so a lot of UI functionalities are still left. So he got the reply. Now coming on the response section, so while the teacher is teaching, a student can raise his hand to ask some doubt. Even you can raise the hand, yeah. He can give a thumbs up for understanding the things, yeah. Okay. Now the teacher can record the class from this panel itself by clicking on this record button. So the moment you will click on the record button, it switches into stop recording, and the moment you will stop recording, the class will be recorded and downloaded on your local system. Right. So presently it is deployed on DigitalOcean server, and we have taken a free domain, Genus triple MUT. Okay. Talking about the attendance feature, so clicking on the attendance, it will give you a CSV file of all the participants that are into the meeting at that particular instance, right? Mute everyone. Suppose there are a lot of students who have unmuted and trying to answer the same question, so you can mute everyone and ask the questions one by one. Okay. Talking about the share screen, so it is very similar to Google Meet or MS Teams, that you can share your screen and your screen will be shared, as you can see over here. You can stop sharing by this button. So that was all about my project, and in future we will try to inculcate some of the AI features into it, such as we aim at making a script of notes. So we will be converting all the speech into text, and we will be creating a notes script, and we'll be sending to all the participants who are into the meeting. So thank you so much, and I would like to thank my teammates Devendra and Sonali for helping me in creating this project.